sun is beating down on your roof right now. You can feel the temperature in your living room climbing by the minute. You are desperate for a solution that doesn't cost a fortune. This is exactly when a flashy ad for a tiny portable cooling box pops up on your feed. It looks like a dream come true. It promises to turn your personal space into an Arctic oasis in seconds. But we need to talk about the reality behind the slick videos for the AeroChill. The marketing makes it sound like a scientific breakthrough. They want you to believe this small device is a real air conditioner. But physics has very strict rules. Real air conditioning is a heavy process. It requires a compressor. It requires chemical refrigerants. It needs a way to actually remove heat from the air and dump it somewhere else. This is why every actual air conditioner has an exhaust hose or an outside unit. Heat doesn't just disappear. If a device doesn't have a way to vent hot air outside, it isn't an air conditioner. It is something else entirely. What you are likely looking at is a simple evaporative cooler. These devices work by blowing air over a wet pad. It feels cool on your skin for a moment, but it won't lower the temperature of your room. In fact, in a humid environment, it can make things worse. It adds moisture to the air. That makes it harder for your body to cool itself down. So you end up feeling stickier than before. The ads never mention that part. They just show people smiling in front of a blue light. They talk about portability like it is a revolution. Being portable is great, but it doesn't matter if the device doesn't work. I looked at the storefronts pushing these things. They're filled with red flags. You see massive discounts that seem too good to pass up. You see timers counting down to create a sense of urgency. This is a classic sales funnel. It is designed to make you act on impulse. They want you to buy before you realize that you are just buying a small fan with a water tank. It is not necessarily a scam where they take your money. You will probably receive a box in the mail, but the performance won't match the promises. It won't be the cooling savior you were hoping for. This is a common pattern in the world of online shopping. A cheap product gets rebranded with a catchy name and a high price tag. Then it gets pushed through aggressive social media ads. These sites all look the same. They have the same layout and the same glowing reviews. If you want real cooling, you need real hardware. You need the power of a compressor and a proper vent. Don't let the heat cloud your judgment. A fancy plastic box is no match for a summer heat wave. Save your money for something that can actually handle the job. Stick to the basics. Look for the technical details. If they are missing, walk away. You deserve to stay cool without being misled by a flashy marketing campaign. Keep your expectations grounded in reality. Real cooling takes real energy. It doesn't come in a tiny plastic box for $40.